magic. A lot of magic is just illusions in my last video. But some of it is like science too. Some of it's just plain magic. I'm gonna show you a really cool trick. We're gonna make a stick man float. All you need is 3 things: a little bit of water, a wet plate, and a dry erase marker. Not a Sharpie. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Sharpies are permanent. If you use them, then you'll ruin the dish. Dry erase markers are written on boards. They're not permanent, but this is the one to use. We're gonna do something that moms and dads don't like us doing. We're gonna draw in the plate. I'm gonna get Dad and draw a stick man in the plate. Once we draw in the stick man, we're gonna add some water gently. Now, magic. Watch what happens to the man when we move the plate. Here's how it works. The ink in the pen that we used is insoluble. That's because it doesn't dissolve in water. It also means it's lighter than water. Because the pens are designed to be warmed off the boards, it doesn't stick to the plate very well. When we put the water in, the ink floats on the top. It doesn't dissolve like other pens do. Please don't use a permanent marker. Yes, no. That's it for today's challenge. Like and subscribe, please. Goodbye. Floating stick man.